Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you insert a link in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Open up your PowerPoint and select the blank page to do your project. Enter all the data of your project, and in terms to add a link you have to move forward, and in terms to move forward you have a variety of tools in the menu bar. You have to tap on insert, and in insert you will find the option of hyperlink. Tap on it, patch will pop up on your screen. Now you have to move forward. Open youtube.com and select a specific video which you want to insert on your PowerPoint's project. Just copy the link of that specific video and enter the link on your hyperlink address. Paste the link in the address bar, and then you have to tap on OK. Your hyperlink address will be added to your project. You can easily see that video by tapping on it. That's how you can paste your link in your PowerPoint file or your project. I hope you liked the video, and by following these steps you can insert a link in your PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching the video.